Wait, Alex, isn't the seat bolt right there?
No, the seat belt's nice and long, and it fits right here, and then they touch tips.
They touch tips.
They touch tips. It's weird how it's designed, but that's how KTM did it. It's like they know something that other people don't.
Okay, cool. Just touch the tips, it'll be fine.
Cool. Just touch the tips of your bolts for your seat, and it's all fine.
Cool. Time to ride this bike.
Time to ride this bike. Welcome back.
You can start it.
You've always liked that bike.
Sometimes you just gotta spin up the rocks, you know?
There you go.
Oh yeah.
Oh, what do you think?
I like it, dude. I'm just quiet because I had fun on it. So guys, we got a 2021 KTM 300 XCW TPI, fuel injected, oil injected, all the fun stuff, electric start. This thing is just, if you haven't rode one of these as a normal dirt bike, I recommend riding one first, just so you can get a comparison, because this thing, oh my god, so much fun.
You've ridden it as a dirt bike, a trike, and now a big wheel.
Dude, I honestly think this probably makes one of the best trikes for trail riding, like literally the best. It has the most frame clearance. That no link just works amazing with the trike swing arm. But yeah, I'm excited to ride it. I think it's gonna do awesome, so we're definitely gonna do a follow-up video of us actually riding this thing out in the dirt. We've just been busy, guys. Like, we've been crazy busy. We always got to get customer builds out the door first, and sometimes our stuff just sits to the side. But this one, we're gonna ride it, we're gonna test it, and then it will be for sale. So hit us up. Go to bbcoffroad.com. You can get all our contact info. You guys definitely hit us up on that if you're interested. We also do build to order. It's not always going to be bikes that are ready to go, but a lot of guys just call. They tell us what bike they want, what kit they want, and we put it on there and we ship it out to them. Yeah, let's do a little walk around, Alex. Start with the exhaust. We already got that spaced over. Anytime you have a big wheel, you are definitely going to have to space your exhaust over. This one wasn't too bad, just two spacers. You guys can see our big wheel conversion swing arm on here. Everything from the billet hub, the wheels we make in-house, all the way up to the jack shaft. That's all made in-house too, along with the swing arm. Gets this chain kicked over, allows for the wider tire on here. RJ went ahead and made some foot pegs today. We got the folding pegs, uses the stock pivot point. Basically just widen it out and extend it a couple inches over the stock peg. Feels amazing when you're riding off-road with those. Foot's definitely not going anywhere. Got the billet triple clamps on here. Factory forks.
We also make the bracket for the Speedo.
Yep, so we got the Speedo bracket on there. And we did do a thumb throttle conversion kit just because we can. I like thumb throttles, a lot of guys know that. I ride twist too, but for my bike that I was building, I was like, hey, let's throw a thumb throttle on here. Billet front hub, 12-inch front wheel. Got the KTM brake on there with the rotor adapter.
And then we make the axles in-house too.
Yep, make the axles. So try to make as many parts as possible. It's unbelievable how hard it is to actually get parts these days from vendors, other machine shops, all that fun stuff. So last few years we worked really hard on just bringing absolutely everything in-house. Mayer, they do a great job. They supply us with the front fenders. Color match, you can see how close the color is to that. I'm always impressed with that. Other than that though, I mean, this thing's ready to rip. So we're gonna take this thing out in the trails and see what it can do, test it. Basically just test these tires out, test the suspension. I can tell you right now, this is probably one of the plushest, easiest stride big wheels that we've done, other than let's say a 250 4-stroke. But even that bike had stiffer suspension.
Like you said, this thing feels like a Cadillac when you're off-road.
Best part is this right here.
Can't beat that.
I mean, I love kickstarting. I mean, I can start at 500 no problem with a slipper on basically, but your tire and you're riding, that's badass. Bike also has, you guys don't follow KTM, I mean, they come with a hydraulic clutch. Always an awesome setup on there. Oil injection's right here. So this like it's all factory, oil injection. You don't gotta mix your gas, you just put straight gas in the tank, 2-stroke oil right there. It's all fuel injected, no carburetor, no jetting, none of that. They even make adjusting the shocks easy. Look at the clicker. I love KTM quality. Got the headlight on here. Got a little switcher here. On and off.
Yep.
Stay tuned for the next video. Driving out